Hi guys, today we are going to look at how we can create a subscription link and share with our audiences, or probably we share in our other social media. Okay, we are going to quickly do that in just few minutes. Okay, just stay on, don't go anywhere.
If you haven't subscribed, kindly do so now and hit the notification bell. Thank you.
Now we open our browser this way. We go to our YouTube page, youtube.com. If you have been using your page, you should automatically sign on to your page, and then we have this. Okay, so the first thing is to click on the profile, our profile here, which is this. Then we'll click on our view YouTube channel. Then this is our YouTube URL. Okay, now I'll copy this. I'll copy it, Ctrl C or copy. Then I will search for a notepad. I will just put it. You can paste it anywhere, but I'm going to use a notepad. So I'm going to use, you can use Control V or you paste it this way. Okay, this is our YouTube URL. It's going to add a question mark. So we're going to add this question mark sub underscore confirmation equal to 1. So now with this one, we can now copy it back. Control C or copy this way. Now this link, you can share it directly with someone, and this will actually help you to get more subscribers. It's another way of getting more subscribers rather than just sharing your YouTube page with someone. They will view it and they might not subscribe. So you just paste it. Okay. Now let's say you enter it. Let's see what's going to write for us. You can see we help with this. The person can click subscribe, but more often time people subscribe rather than just view your page and just go. So this is. So thank you very much.
Kindly subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.